Hello guys, welcome back to another episode for Bittensor. Hope you enjoyed the other videos. If not, then go ahead and watch them. I cover everything, how to create wallet, buy Bittensor, transfer money. So we are here, transferred money to my small wallet. Now we're going to go ahead and stake some Bittensor and also buy some subnets. So buying and staking the subnets, let's say, because once you have it, you will start earning the rewards, and the rewards can be huge in some subnets. You can get 50-60% APY, where on Bittensor you'll get roughly at the moment 5 or 6%. As you can see here, around 6%, and dynamic TAO in subnets is variable. So I'm going to use basically the Talisman wallet, which is probably the simplest way to do it, because you might get confused on Bittensor subnets. You can obviously go here, connect your wallet like this, and buy it directly here. So let me just connect it just to show you. So now you've got wallet connected. You can literally go to any subnet and buy it. As you can see, you've got some available maximum, and it will buy 2.5 of that subnet. Alpha has obviously different price. As you can see, it's about $11 for one. It's also showing in Bittensor because everything is interconnected. So what you can do is buy some, stake some Bittensor, or buy and stake some alpha, and I'm gonna do just that with ridges here. So if we are in the Talisman portal, I would show you here because it's much simpler. In the wallet, Talisman wallet, you've got staking button here. It will take you to the portal, to your dashboard, and as you can see, you would see stuff like that: Bittensor and dynamic tensor. Dynamic is obviously those subnets, those little companies, and Bittensor. So all you do is click on stake and make sure obviously you choose some amount. I'll just go very low because I already staked some. You've got different validators. Pick one of the top ones. You can see different APRs. So let's pick this one. It's got higher APR at the moment. Okay, minimum stake is 0.1. So just make sure you have that 0.1 and stake it. Approve that. There is very little fees. As you can see, it's 3 cents or less than that, and that's it. It's successful, and it jumps to this screen where you have your positions only instead of this big one. So very easy to see everything here and how much you earned already. As you can see, I've got some staked here, and I bought some also subnet. I'm gonna show you right now. And if you don't want to do it anymore, just stake it in here. I think I need to stake a bit more to unstake it, but I'm just gonna leave it for now. I could increase the stake obviously here. And as you can see as well, we have the subnet. So let's find some more subnets here. You go to Bittensor dynamic TAO here, and again you've got all this stuff. So obviously if you choose some subnet that you really like, you could stake here on TAO stats as I showed you, but you can do it also there. So let's say we want to do ridges, which is obviously one of the biggest ones, and you select the subnet. You can find the subnet or something, but ridges should be obviously somewhere on near the top. It's not near the top, so let's try to find it. Ridges. So here we are, we got ridges here. Make sure the same number, 62. You've got some, okay, so I need more TAO, so I've got not enough, but basically the same story. You take the TAO, stake it, accept all the transactions, and then you'll be in your place where you have your positions. As you can see here, I already did that a couple days ago. Already earned 33 cents in DP with $5 stake only, and you would see like ridges down here as well. Very easy to see in here. You can go back to TAO stats and basically look at your portfolio here as well. This is more advanced. You need to sign in. Okay, this is more advanced, but you could go here as well. But not to confuse you, I will just show you here. Very easy. You can follow your positions. You can unstake here, obviously, whatever you want to unstake. and then move your money or do something with it, as I mentioned in other videos with the buying TAO and transferring money. Obviously, you've got your wallet as in other places, as in other crypto wallet, and you can start basically staking TAO the easy way. Hopefully everything is clear, guys. Let me know any questions and stay tuned for other videos explaining Bittensor, how to use it, and all the subnets. Thank you.